Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving deep into a serious memory upgrade, the ATEC 128GB DDR5 SODIMM kit. Specifically, this is a 4x32GB kit, running at a speedy 5,600 MHz. If you're rocking a compatible DDR5 laptop, mini PC, or even an all-in-one, this could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. First impressions are important, and ATEC delivers a product that feels well-made. These aren't ECC modules, so keep that in mind if you need error correction for mission-critical tasks. They are unbuffered, which is standard for laptops, and operate at the JEDEC standard 1.1V. This is great because it ensures compatibility and helps keep power consumption in check, which is crucial for laptop battery life. The big question is, why would you need 128 gigabytes of RAM in a laptop? Well, think about it. If you're a content creator working with massive video files, a scientist running complex simulations, or a gamer who wants to load every asset instantly, then the answer becomes clear. This kit is designed to obliterate bottlenecks and keep your system running smoothly, no matter how demanding the task. Installation is incredibly straightforward. ATEC emphasizes that no expertise is required, and they're right. Simply pop open your laptop's memory compartment, remove the old modules, and firmly seat these new ones in their place. The difference is immediately noticeable. Programs launch faster, multitasking becomes a breeze, and even demanding games see a significant performance boost. The 5,600 MHz speed is a sweet spot for DDR5. It provides a tangible performance increase over slower speeds, without pushing the limits of compatibility or power consumption. The CL46 latency is decent for SATA modules. ATEC backs their memory with a limited lifetime warranty, which is a huge plus. It shows they stand behind their product and gives you peace of mind knowing you're covered in case of any issues. Their support team is also highly rated, so you can rest assured that help is available if you need it. Overall, the ATEC 128GB DDR5 SODIMM kit is a fantastic upgrade for anyone who needs maximum memory capacity in their laptop. It's fast, reliable, easy to install, and backed by a solid warranty. If you're looking to future-proof your system or simply want the best possible performance, this kit is definitely worth considering. It transforms your laptop into a true powerhouse.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.